How to subscribe MidJourney AI. Now, if you want to subscribe to MidJourney AI, it's actually quite very simple to do so because all you have to do is simply open your browser and just visit midjourney.com and log into your account. Once you log into your account, whenever you click on create or anything, if you don't have a subscription, it will automatically ask you to explore the subscription. Otherwise, from the bottom left here, you can see my account menu. Just click on my account and go to manage subscription option here, and all you have to do here is just simply choose a subscription that fits your choice. So when you are billed yearly, you will get 20% discount each month. So instead, when you build yearly, you will be charged $8 a month, versus when you do monthly billing, you'll be charged $10 a month. Similarly, there's a basic plan, standard plan, the pro plan, has the mega plan. Depending upon which one that you want to do it according to your needs, you can click on the subscribe button right next to a certain plan, and you'll be able to see all the features and limitations right there. So just enter your email address, your card number, or the Alipay, or whichever it is that you prefer. Just enter your details, information, card holder name, billing address, and just click on the subscribe button. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically subscribe MidJourney AI. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.